Hello, thanks for dropping in. I decided that I would just have a quick look because I was talking about the capacitor kits available from Retro Rewind. And believe me, it's wonderful. Anyway, for the 64, there are 6 of them. And there's one for the Commodore 64 RF modulator. I did not even know they had such a thing, but they do. And then there is 5 different kits for the different types of circuit board. There's the 250407, that's $13.50. There's for the 250425, that's $10.80. For the 250466 is $10.80. For the 250469, it's $8.10. And for the 326298, it's $10.80. And I mean, what a deal. You get a little bag that has absolutely everything you need to recap your Commodore 64. And I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure that if you're not comfortable doing this, because this means desoldering and taking things out and putting things in, that they're for a fee, they will do this. I seem to remember, maybe not last year, maybe the year before or so, that while they were there, they were actually doing such operations right there for people. And they have other things too, but this is for the Commodore 64, the capacitor kits. And really, how reasonable is that? Because, not long ago, I went to a place in Toronto called Sayal Electronics looking for a specific capacitor. And sadly, I'm finding more and more, although there are some things there that are quite wonderful and that I will go for again, but there's more and more things that it's like, they have if you've ever been there, there's all kinds of stuff. But when you're looking for something specific, you want to find that something specific. And it hasn't gone that well lately. Also, they stopped carrying my desoldering iron that I like so much. Not that I necessarily needed another one right now, but, I kind of rely on it. Anyway, so, Retro Rewind. Let's see here. Why? I'm on their site, which is RetroRewind.ca, and I'm in the Commodore 64 capacitors thing. Let me just look here. I'm just going to click on the thing. They do have a physical location. Let me just scan down here. Um, oh, God. Just a second. Contact us. Okay, they have a phone number. 1-833-RE, as in RREWIND, which is 1-833-773-9463. And they also have a thing where you can just send a message. It's funny, I'm just looking for. I know they have a place. But I don't know where it is. No, that's not it. Contact us. 1 second. Uh, well, maybe I'm not going to be able to find out. Anyway, Retro Rewind makes all kinds of great stuff for we who keep living in the 8-bit world. So, look forward to seeing them there. And I would suspect if there's something you look on their website for, which is, of course, RetroRewind.ca, you can make arrangements to pick it up at the show. Saves the postage, saves the drive. Anyway, we'll see you at the World of Commodore, November 30th and December 1st of 2024 at the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario. Go to tpug.ca to look up all the details. And we'll see you there. Bye for now.